Hello, reader, and thank you for joining me for another spelling lesson. This week we are on Unit 1, Lesson 5 for 5th grade. Our story this week is Picturesque Journeys, and our skill this week is on VCE syllables. Now, you should know from the past that VCE syllables are syllables that end with a vowel, a consonant, and then the letter E. When a syllable ends with this pattern, it usually makes a long vowel sound, and there's an E, and the E is silent. You may have heard this called bossy E or magic E, same thing. This week, we'll be looking at words with all the long vowel sounds. We're going to do our same pattern as before. We're going to say the word. We're going to count the syllables. We know if you count them. We're going to say the word again. We're going to spell it. And of course, we're going to smash it like we've been doing for several years now. And then we're going to write the word, and then we're going to circle the pattern. And we're going to circle the second syllable, because it is on a syllable, with the syllable and the vowel, the consonant, and the bossy E. So that's what we're going to be looking for on those. All right, let's get started. Our first word is evaporate. Say evaporate. To evaporate means to change from a liquid into a gas, usually when it's heated. Let's count the syllables. Evaporate. Evaporate. Let's spell it. E-V-A-P-O-R-A-T-E. Evaporate. And let's write it. And as usual, I will spell it for you. E-V-A-P-O-R-A-T-E. And let's circle that pattern at the end. It's that last syllable. After the rain, the puddles on the school playground evaporate in the sunlight, turning the water into invisible vapor. Our next word is elevate. Say elevate. To elevate means to raise or lift something up. Let's count the syllables. E-L-E-vate. Elevate. Or elevate, I should say. Let's spell it. E-L-E-V-A-T-E. Elevate. Let's write it. E-L-E-V-A-T-E. And then let's circle our pattern. Our last syllable, vate. We can use our words to elevate a friend. Someone could also use a crane to elevate some heavy pipes to a new place. Our next word is coincide. Say coincide. To coincide means to happen at the same time. Let's count the syllables. Coincide. Coincide. Let's spell it. C-O-I-N-C-I-D-E. Coincide. Let's write it. C-O-I-N-C-I-D-E. And let's circle our pattern. Our last syllable, side. The 4th of July parade in Montgomery will coincide with our state history field trip, so families can enjoy both events together. Our next word is oppose. Say oppose. To oppose means to disagree with or work against something. Let's count the syllables. Oppose. Oppose. Let's spell it. O-P-P-O-S-E. Oppose. And let's write it. O-P-P-O-S-E. Let's circle that last syllable. Do you know what it is? That's correct. P-O-S-E. Many students oppose the idea of homework on weekends because they feel it cuts into family time. Our next word is improvise. Say improvise. To improvise means to make or do something on the spot with whatever is available. Let's count the syllables. Improvise. Improvise. Let's spell it. I-M-P-R-O-V-I-S-E. Improvise. And let's write it. I-M-P-R-O-V-I-S-E. What's that last syllable? That's correct. Vise. Make sure you circle it. When the projector broke, Jamal had to improvise by drawing diagrams on the board so the class could follow the lesson. The next word is intervene. Say intervene. To intervene means to come between and help settle or stop a problem. Let's count the syllables. Intervene. Intervene. Let's spell it. I-N-T-E-R-V-E-N-E, intervene. And let's write it. I-N-T-E-R-V-E-N-E. Let's circle that last pattern. The teacher had to intervene when two students began arguing over the science lab equipment. The next word is delete. Say delete. To delete means to remove or erase something, especially text or files. Let's count the syllables. Delete. Delete. Let's spell it. D-E-L-E-T-E, delete. And let's write it. D-E-L-E-T-E. What's that last syllable? Delete. That's correct. Go ahead and spell it. Circle it. Before submitting her report on Alabama's rivers, Maria decided to delete the extra paragraph that didn't fit her topic. And the next word is excavate. Say excavate. To excavate means to dig out and remove earth carefully, often to uncover artifacts. Let's count the syllables. Excavate. Excavate. Let's spell it. E-X-C-A-V-A-T-E, excavate. And let's write it. E-X-C-A-V-A-T-E. Let's circle our pattern again. V-A-T-E. In our archaeology unit, we learned how scientists excavate ancient Native American mounds in Alabama to find pottery and tools. Our next word is remote. Say remote. If a place is remote, it is far away and not easily reached. Let's count the syllables. Remote. Remote. Let's spell it. R-E-M-O-T-E, remote. And let's write it. R-E-M-O-T-E. Do you see the pattern? M-O-T-E, that's correct. The students studied the remote community in northwestern Alabama that has only one road in and out. The next word is devastate. Say devastate. To devastate means to cause great damage or destruction. Let's count the syllables. Dev-a-state. Devastate. I need to fix that. Dev-a-state. Already said it. Let's spell it. D-E-V-A-S-T-A-T-E, devastate. Let's write it. D-E-V-A-S-T-A-T-E. Let's circle that pattern. Devastate. When the hurricane hit the Gulf Coast, it devastated many coastal towns, flooding streets and destroying homes. The next word is serene. Say serene. If something is serene, it is calm, peaceful, and untroubled. Let's count the syllables. Serene. Serene. Let's spell it. S-E-R-E-N-E, serene. Let's write it. S-E-R-E-N-E. What's that last syllable? Reen, that's right. Early one morning on the banks of the Black Warrior River, the water looked so serene that it perfectly reflected the trees. The next word is appetite. Say appetite. An appetite is the desire or need to eat food. Let's count the syllables. Appetite. Appetite. Let's spell it. A-P-P-E-T-I-T-E, appetite. And let's write it. A-P-P-E-T-I-T-E. Let's circle that last pattern. After running around at recess, my appetite was so big that I finished every bite of my lunch. The next word is obsolete. Say obsolete. If something is obsolete, it is no longer used because something newer exists. Let's count the syllables. Obsolete. Obsolete. Let's spell it. O-B-S-O-L-E-T-E. Obsolete. Let's write it. O-B-S-O-L-E-T-E. And let's circle that pattern. L-E-T-E. In our technology lesson, we learned that floppy disks are now obsolete because USB drives and cloud storage replaced them. Our next word is liberate. Say liberate. To liberate means to set someone or something free from control or danger. Let's count the syllables. Liberate. Liberate. Let's spell it. L-I-B-E-R-A-T-E. Liberate. Let's write it. L-I-B-E-R-A-T-E. Let's circle our pattern. On this one, it's just the A-T-E because was a syllable by itself. During the Civil Rights Movement, brave activists worked to liberate citizens from unfair laws throughout the United States. Our next word is centigrade. Say centigrade. Centigrade is a scale for measuring temperature in degrees Celsius. We use Fahrenheit. Centigrade, count the syllables. Centigrade. Centigrade. Let's spell it. C-E-N-T-I-G-R-A-D-E. Centigrade. Let's write it. C-E-N-T-I-G-R-A-D-E. Let's circle that last pattern, that last syllable. On our weather chart, we recorded the day's high temperature as 30 degrees centigrade, which is 86 degrees Fahrenheit. The next word is prosecute. To prosecute, say prosecute. To prosecute means to bring legal action against someone accused of a crime. Let's count the syllables. Prosecute. Prosecute. Let's spell it. P-R-O-S-E-C-U-T-E. Prosecute. Let's write it. P-R-O-S-E-C-U-T-E. Let's circle that last pattern. In our mock trial, the student playing the district attorney had to prosecute the case by presenting evidence against the suspect. Our next word is evacuate. Say evacuate. To evacuate means to move people from danger to a safe place. Let's count the syllables. Evacuate. Evacuate. Let's spell it. E-V-A-C-U-A-T-E. Evacuate. And let's write it. E-V-A-C-U-A-T-E. And let's circle that last syllable again, A-T-E. When tornado sirens sounded, the school practiced how to evacuate the hallways quickly and calmly. The next word is schedule. Say schedule. As a noun, a schedule is a plan that lists time when activities will happen. As a verb, to schedule means to plan an event for a certain time. Let's count the syllables. Schedule. 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 Let's spell it. S-C-H-E-D-U-L-E. Schedule. All right, and let's write it. S-C-H-E-D-U-L-E. What's the last syllable? Yule, because it's schedule. Schedule. Our teacher scheduled the field trip on Tuesday, and we checked the schedule each day to make sure we were prepared. Our next word is provoke. Say provoke. To provoke means to cause a strong reaction or feeling. Let's count the syllables. Provoke. Provoke. Let's spell it. P-R-O-V-O-K-E. Provoke. And let's write it. P-R-O-V-O-K-E. Circle our pattern. The question, why is state history important, was meant to provoke thoughtful discussion among students. Our next word is negotiate. Say negotiate. To negotiate means to talk with others to reach an agreement. Let's count the syllables. Negotiate. Negotiate. Let's spell it. N-E-G-O-T-I-A-T-E. Negotiate. And let's write it. N-E-G-O-T-I-A-T-E. Circle our pattern. 8. In social studies, we learned how some settlers and Native American tribes tried to negotiate treaties during Alabama's early history. And that appears to be our last word. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. You're getting smarter every day. Until next time, happy reading.